wa kana wa kiama kia Arigitani na makiria kuma kaunti-ini ino no rio ikaine ta Charles Okumu riu nimegwitia ati mari hatikaine ya gukorwo makiiga mero yao thi kumana na wagi kana kumana na wagi wa kuiguanira thirikari nene gukiri uguo nimugite ati wakahinda ka miaka 10 riu neria Arigitani makurirwo makendekithia gukorwo makiongererwo mishara gutiri undu ukoretwo kihanika riu makiuga ati cigana ni cigana bikinya riria ringi riu matigitio na rone gutigira ati ni matashokia ikinya ria gukorwo makiiga mero yao thi niguo kuona kana makaya mao ni megukorwo magikiguika.
2 weeks ago, that is on the 26th of June, we gave a notice to the county of Machakos with various grievances that were reported to us by our members. That is basically all the healthcare workers in the hospital facility. That is in the facility of Machakos level 5, Kangundo level 4, and all the facilities in the county. And these issues, number one, have been promotions of these healthcare workers. So you find that a nurse can work for 15 years without promotion. And the same applies for all the other cadres working for 5 years without a single promotion. That was the basis of us writing to the county government 2 weeks ago and issuing them with a legal strike notice. Take note that before the notice we have had multiple engagements with all the officers of the county government, including the governor. So out of these multiple engagements, we have kept talking to our members and urging them to continue working in good faith, serving their patients as they are mandated to do or bound by the Hippocratic Oath. But this has gone for too long. So where we are today is at a position whereby we are left with only 7 days. And as we stand here today, we have just come out of a meeting with the officers of the county government without anything tangible as considered by these various leaders.
Of our issues have been addressed. The county government requested us to give them from April, May, June. And we have been patient, waiting for the issues that we had said to be addressed. Key among them, promotions. And as we talk right now, what is even hurting us as healthcare workers is our environment to work. We have to send patients to buy things so that we can offer services to them. It is demotivating to us as workers. Workers in Machakos County, healthcare workers in Machakos County are demotivated. And as we talk, as he said, we are just out of a meeting that we did not see anything that we had requested, anything on the table. And that is why we just said, time is up. Our members have refused. It is time to go on a strike.
Riu tugithina mbere ni ati naguo bururi wa Kenya wina mubango wa gutigirira ati